Oh man, we got a smoke show, folks. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support as always. Today we are going to be checking out a progress update on Ovi's new 329D skid loader that he picked up. I believe he's got the entire motor tore down now. I don't know if he's completely solved the problem or what's wrong with it yet, but we'll get an update when we get over to the shop. We are also going to work on the Denali project a little bit. I've been getting a lot of boxes in, stuff to just clean that truck up a little bit more. I'm really grateful that I'm able to store the truck over there so it's sitting in the 60-degree shop, as opposed to the -20 that it's been for the last week here. It is now, what, 3 degrees right now outside, so that's a plus. But with wind chill, I'm sure it's negative again anyway. But super cold, so not a lot of action going on outside. So we're gonna stick to the shop for now. Also on the channel, we are creeping up to that 1,000 subscriber mark. So I feel super incredibly blessed that so many of you are choosing to stick around, subscribe, and help us grow the channel. Remember, I got the name Mr.Unfluencer from my wife, Tori. She had a YouTube channel a couple years ago. She wanted to start the social media career. Her TikTok has absolutely blown out of control over the last year, I would say. So she's been killing it. It's so motivating to see all her success, and she deserves every penny of it. Anyways, surround yourself with people that support you, people that bring out the best in you, and that's what she does for me. So anyways, long-winded there, but the name Unfluencer is her brand. Not trying to be the typical influencer, just trying to be real, authentic, just highlight what we're doing. All these things that you see me doing or us doing on the channel is stuff we're gonna do anyway. So it's not really like we're trying to like throw stuff at you or be fake or be something we're not. This is stuff we do anyway, so you might as well film it and try to make a little money on the side. It's like the best side hustle ever. So YouTube is gonna unlock a lot of doors for us in the future. So once we get to 1,000, you know, we get to do the monetization thing. I'm not really trying to, you know, go after it just to make a ton of money. I just want YouTube to be able to supply, you know, the funds we need to make cool stuff on this channel together. So if you would, go ahead and share the videos, go back, watch some of the old ones, give them a thumbs up. Just click share. You can share it right to like your Snapchat story or your Instagram or Facebook, whatever. Bunch of different options. That would mean the world to us. And also, when I first started the channel, I wasn't really sure where I was gonna go with all this stuff. I just happened to be down at Ovi's shop getting some work done on my truck, but we kind of hit it off down there, and since he already had a diesel shop, super into everything that I'm into, he's like, dude, we need to like partner up, do stuff together, and we'd literally talk nonstop every day since then. So what I want to do with the YouTube, when it starts working out real crazy for us, I want to pay him back by sending all you people down to Overtime Diesel to get stuff done to your truck, to get maintenance done, routine stuff, and then cool stuff as well. So give him a call if you do need something done to your truck. I want to be able to put up a new shop eventually, another, or not a new shop, but like a new building for him. That would be super crazy. So anyways, just show all the love and support for Overtime Diesel if if you would. That would mean the world to me. So anyways, guys, that's a long story. Sorry about that. We'll get over to the shop here and get into today's video. Love y'all. All right, well, we just hopping out of here now. Look at all this snow. Still drifts and drifts and drifts. Shout out to our sponsors, by the way. How you like them steps, Boost Auto and HSP track bar? Sorry, guys, I'm not taking care of your stuff very well here in the snow and salt. But anyways, we'll get them cleaned up eventually. Into the shop we go and gonna start our day. I am ready. Oh yeah, just as beautiful as always. There she is, all tore apart, ready to dive into that sucker, waiting on Ovi to get here. He is still working today. Looks like he got some work done on the sled too. Maybe he'll talk to us about the sled a little bit. But for now, we will work on the Denali over here. If you guys haven't seen that yet, go back and watch those videos. We do have stuff coming in for this truck. Got to get the tailgate put back on. Fender covers there, got to put that on. Got some Bondo stuff. Got some new lights in, Oxito. They sponsored Tori's video for her Jeep. We love that lighting, so I did get lights for that. The bezels are still on the way. Just some miscellaneous knobs here. These are kind of funny. We'll plug them in. New floor mats too. We'll probably get those pulled in. I do want to work on the carpets a little bit. Try to scrub away and clean those a little bit before we throw those in. Did get the new steering wheel put on. That's super hot. So just a lot of stuff going on. I don't know what I want to do first, so I'll spend a little bit of time getting organized here. But again, we do want to continue to focus on the skid loader project. Okay, so these knobs here, these black ones, are for the rear seat entertainment. Just gonna put those on. Those things always get knocked off in these vehicles, so they just go right there, missing. We'll put them on there. And then these are the fun ones here, these little red ones. These that always get knocked off, these are supposed to just plug in there, so we'll pop them in. So again, nothing super exciting, guys, but it's all in the minor details, and I freaking love the wood grain steering wheel. All right, so now that those are in place here, I am gonna take the seat out and take it home because we do have the leather and the cushion to replace the driver's seat. So probably not in this video, but we will take that seat out, take it home, redo that seat so it's ready to go. I'm just having a hard time. I got too many things I want to do, not enough time to do it. As always, this is a part-time YouTube channel. But anyways, I did take these skid plates off to see if they'll clean up at all, or if not, maybe we got to get replacements. But I really want those nice Denali door trim pieces. Might put the Husky liners in. I do want to clean the carpets a little bit. Put a new exhaust tip on. That looks good there. I am going through to see if I have the right tabs. I don't think these fender liners came with tabs, so I'm trying to find, there I am, trying to find ones that fit in there just right. So we'll see if we use these or have to buy different ones, or maybe they came in the box. I doubt it. But anyways, Ovi's supposed to be off work soon, so we're going to be on this today. All right, so I decided what I wanted to do, and that is wax the truck. I don't know how far I'm going to get until Ovi gets here, but I did this door already by hand. No buffer, no polisher. Just good old-fashioned, what is it, Turtle Wax, I believe? Yep, good old-fashioned polishing compound from Turtle Wax. Gotta love it. Got this door going on next. Really, I just want to see how bad a shape this paint is. You can see some of this stuff's flaking a little bit, but I want to see how many spots are going to need touched up when we go to do the paint stuff. So you guys tell me how we're going to go about that. I even put some on the mirror there, what you know about it. But anyways, that's what I'm doing right now. I probably am going to open up the floor mats, probably at least do this side, clean that a little bit. I just like seeing stuff. You guys, when stuff comes in, don't you just want to open it up and see it? It's kind of where I'm at. Anyways, let me get back to this, and then whatever next. What in tarnation is going on down here, boy? Bury that sucker. Oh, no. Come on, boy. You got this far. Oh, man. What are you doing? All right, well, I guess this is where we're going to leave it, since this is where it wants to be. Just back it up in there, Terry. But whoever commented, get another skid loader, you might be right, because that is the route we're going now. Obviously, in the last video, pulling it off with the truck did not work, so thanks a lot, guys. The feedback was great, though, by the way. Now, we're going to try this sucker and see if we can get it off. First, we got to get this inside, out of the snow. See, this is much smaller. The other one is freaking massive. Ovi's back at it. Spent all day at work, and now I got to come unbury this sucker in the snow, but that is life as we know it. Yeah. Alright, let's see if he gets it off there okay. Anything could happen, folks, you know it. Oh! Easy money. Yeah, let's just lift the trailer up. That'll get it unstuck. Recenter it. Oh no. This thing can probably get through anything. Jeez, I underestimated that thing. That booger gets it, boy. That booger gets it. You broke the license plate, bro. What the heck? You gotta be more careful. He don't give a crap. He's just gonna send it, boy. Switching out the bucket. Drop the forks, grab the bucket. Away she goes. He acts like he's done this before. Oh yeah, he's still out there messing around. Look at that. Buried the truck a second time. He already buried it once. He just can't get that sucker right. I told him leave it down there at the bottom of the hill and get it later, but he never stops cleaning this up. We're just chilling inside because it's nice and warm over here. Say what's up to the camera.
What's going on, boys?
Yes, sir. Go pack tonight.
Damn
We're gonna
right.
get them. Just opened up these floor mats here. These are them Husky ones. So again, not WeatherTech, but still real nice. Happy with the way these turned out. Gonna throw these inside the cab here because I did scrub at the carpets a little bit. Starting to be able to see your reflection. That turtle wax did kind of good, but I went ahead and cleaned these up a little bit. I'll throw those in, probably clean them more some other time, but for now, this thing's looking just fine. But yeah, there they are, folks. And then we're gonna get to this, I promise. I keep saying it.
We're out here on the 329D with Ovi and Pepper and Mr. Harrison. We're about to find out if this thing's got a big turbo or a little turbo. Come on! We talking about motors tonight, baby!
She got a little turbo. Here, let me show you a close-up.
Get up there, Pepper.
Look at that motor. Small turbo action.
Pepper took camera for a little bit. We got the cab up on this bitch. Give them boys a little bit more free room to, you know, tussle around with the wire.
Are they broke? Oh, they're broke.
This one's bent, this one's bent, this one's bent. Look at that bad boy.
All right, let's take a look. Oh man, we got a smoke show, folks. Oh no, he blew her up. Now you're gonna have to fix two instead of one. That's what you get for riding her too hard, son. Oh man, that radiator, oh, what is going on in there? She is hotter than the devil. I was hoping it was just snow, but it ain't just snow. Nope, I'm gonna be fixing this booger up now. Supposed to use this one. This is supposed to be the good one. And now, she's a smoker. All right, so we are just checking back inside now that we're out of the cold there. He buried the truck like 2 or 3 times out there, I don't know. And then he blew up the other skid loader. So the goal today was to get it off the trailer here, but I don't know if that's gonna happen just yet till you figure out. What'd you do to the other one out there?
The belt fell off.
The belt fell off. What belt? There's more than one belt on that sucker.
Oh, just the main belt.
Just the main belt. Just perfect.
No water pump.
The water pump. Well, you know what? That's how things go. Now, instead of one blown up skid loader, you got two. So that's more blown up skid loaders than most people have. So that's great. But we are checking in on this project. People want to know what's going on, where the status is at on this. I know you've tore it down already. Yeah. You found the problem yet? Oh yeah, look at that beauty right there.
Cam gear fell off, slip timing.
That's nice. Did it do a lot of damage in there? Or?
Probably.
Probably. Kind of hard. Should we get up here and take a closer look inside? You got stuff everywhere in there. Look at that.
I'm just gonna pull the whole motor out now.
You're gonna pull the whole motor out?
Yep.
But it doesn't need fully replaced. You can patch this thing back together with some new parts.
It probably needs rebuilt.
Needs fully rebuilt.
Yep.
You capable of that though? Yeah. Got it. Look at all these coolers, all kinds of gears in there. Look at it. Was it about what you thought it'd be, or better or worse?
What they told me it was.
Yeah, so they didn't lie to you. That's good at least. No, you didn't luck out at all. It's going to require a bunch of money and a bunch of work.
Yeah.
But we got to get it off this trailer. This one's getting put back together.
Probably today.
Had a bad piston or something. Melted. Oh boy, she's seen better days. Look at that. What are you gonna do next on this? Got to order a bunch of parts now, or?
No, I want to get it out.
You want to get it out next, so.
Yeah, but I want to get off the trailer first.
Yeah, and now that you have a blown up skid loader, that was the next idea. I had some people commenting about soaping the deck maybe, or oiling the deck. Oh yeah, that could work there too. Get some mobility under there. You had another idea, didn't you? How you were gonna get it to move?
Loosen the hydraulic lines on the drive motors.
Yep.
And then it should roll.
Then it should go right off. And then you're just gonna try to pull it straight off with the other one.
Yep.
Once you get a new belt, and hopefully you didn't blow up anything out there when you're going 100 miles an hour, but you know, that's okay too. So I guess that's probably gonna have to come in the next video, because I'm not gonna be able to go with you everywhere to get all that stuff fixed. So did you want to speak on whether or not you're gonna keep this sucker, or you kind of had a plan, didn't you?
Yeah, I'm gonna rent it out.
Gonna rent it out instead of flipping it. I kind of got the inside scoop. I just happened to be here for the business deal going on in the background. That was super cool to hear about. And you know what that means? You can actually keep this sucker and do what you want to it. Maybe they want a nice teal and white wrapped one.
They do, and they want a matching trailer too.
Are you serious? Well, it just so happens you got both of those going on. They're gonna have to pay up, but cut them a deal. That way you get to keep all this stuff, and just, it's just awesome, man. I love how things like that fall into place. Super cool. And then you can always sell it later when it comes time. But for now, it looks like you might get to keep it after all. So all the incentive more to get it running. What's the timeline looking like on that?
They want it in a month.
Want it in a month. So you think you got it in you?
Oh yeah.
Definitely good. So working on it after work, weekends, putting in all the hours. We're getting ready over here for the Packers game tonight. Look, he's getting his seat warmed up. I love it. He is ready to go. That is the most beautiful hat I've ever seen.
Thank you.
Yes. Right on the screen. Yes, I love it. There he goes. Right like that. All right, guys, so that's a little update on the truck and the skid loader. Hope you guys really enjoyed that video. It's always a lot of fun. You never know what you're gonna get when you give Ovi the memory card. So again, I love being able to leave that with him, see what he comes up with, then I'll come through, kind of do a follow-up. Hopefully this style of video works for you guys. Let us know in the comments. We're always willing to adjust and adapt to what the audience wants to see. But again, if you would, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it, put some love in the comments, and we will see y'all in the next one. Peace.